The time has come, said the walrus, to talk about many things, specifically fashion trends 2023. And to get my own personal trend fix, I landed up at Melbourne Fashion Week 2022. Now, Melbourne Fashion Week not only features designs from leading and emerging fashion designers, it also showcases the best of Australian design. What did I take away from the runway shows at Melbourne Fashion Week 2022? A blend of shimmer and shine. Practicality, joining hands with a bit of funk.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Color blocking. Casual wear in solid sorbet colors like mint, like lilac. Let's not forget the color of the season is digital lavender. There was also a hint of fluoro.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate,
Gender neutrality. Even the wedding dresses cross the gender barrier. Sustainability manifested itself through techniques like patchwork. Patchwork is great for recycling, repurposing leftover fabrics, offcuts, and managing waste.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way.
What I particularly liked about the runways this year, all of them were inclusive. Race, age, sex, color, ethnicity, being differently abled was not a barrier.
Bring the funk back.
And the return of, no, not the Jedi, the return of platforms. Platforms and wedges were everywhere. In metallics, in bling, in fluorocolors, in bright colors. Thankfully, no skyscraper stilettos and hopefully no broken ankles.
Bring the funk back.
So I had my fangirl moment when I bumped into my favorite Instagrammer, Melissa in Oz. Melissa in Oz specializes in styles for over 50s and, hold your breath, has over 34.5 thousand followers. And like yours truly, Melissa is all about color. And now, the moment we all wait for. Unboxing or unbagging of the goodie bag. Now, over a lifetime in fashion, I must have received hundreds of goodie bags. But a goodie bag still has its charm. So let's see what's in this goodie bag. So you can see a good quality canvas tote bag with the Melbourne Fashion Week logo, and let's see what's inside. Now these are vouchers from Emporium Melbourne, Victorian Wines, Stakes Day tickets, so you could win that. Recycle. Melbourne, you can dine and wine and dine at specific restaurants. So I'd have to figure out, I'd have to scan the QR codes and get my vouchers and discounts. And what else? So this is what? Dry shampoo or no? Yeah, it's dry conditioner. So it's dry conditioner. Next, there's something else. There's another. Yeah, what is this? This is a spritz. This is a cocktail, non-alcoholic, which is good. So it's Italian spritz. It's a cocktail with no alcohol. How good is that? Next in my treasure trove is this little gift card from the venue, which is Collins Square. So it's a $10 gift card. Not bad. Everything works. This one, and this one's my favorite. It's a $20 gift voucher from Morphe. Morphe is one of my favorite stores. Right now I'm wearing a Morphe lipstick. So Morphe has given you $20 gift voucher, which you can, if you shop at Morphe, this contributes towards your final settlement. This is High Smile. So it's for whitening, teeth whitening. So if you see in my upcoming videos, I have white teeth thanks to High Smile. Something else? That's a hand cream. Hand creams, always nifty, always handy to carry in your purse. So this is a more hand cream. It's lychee flavor, not bad. So a hand cream. And some recycle bags from Recycle. I'll talk more about Recycle. It's a sustainable initiative. It's a sustainable company. So next, in the next video, I'll talk more about Recycle. So that's about it, and that's a fair bit. So I've just unboxed or unbagged one goodie bag for you. This week's video is all about the trends and the runway shows. What's coming up in the next video? In video 2 on Melbourne Fashion Week. So video 2 on Melbourne Fashion Week will have excerpts from a seminar I attended, courtesy Melbourne Fashion Week, Australian Fashion Council, Creative Victoria, Monash University and a couple of other establishments. And we will learn all about what's new, what's happening in the world of circular economy and sustainable fashion. Stay tuned so that you and we can have our own panel discussion about circular economy and sustainable fashion. And oops, I forgot something. And you shouldn't forget. What should you not forget? Do not forget to stay tuned, subscribe, like, share and comment. Till next time, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now from Melbourne Fashion Week.